Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel HowStation. My name is Tanvi and in today's video I'm going to share with y'all how I did these blue metallic smoky eyes. They are very easy to do, so without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. I am going to begin with applying a concealer on my eyelids to prime them for the eyeshadows. Once the concealer is well blended, I am going to set it with a compact powder so that it does not crease. Now moving on to the eyeshadows, for which I am going to use the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette, and I'm going to use the brush that comes with the palette. On the fluffy side of the brush, first I'm going to pick up this shade which is called Drama Queen, and I'm going to apply that directly into my crease. After that, I'm going to pick up this black shade on the fluffy side of that same brush, and I'm going to apply this shade into the crease as well as in the outer V of my eye. I'm just going to keep that in the crease and in the outer V. After that, I'm going to take the shimmery blue shade which is called Skylight, and using my fingers, I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid. I'm going to stop right where I've applied Drama Queen and the black eyeshadow. Once I'm happy with how the blue shadow has been applied, I'm going to take the same fluffy side of the brush and I'm going to pick a little bit of Drama Queen on it, and I'm going to blend the edges properly so that the look looks pulled together. Then I'm going to take the shimmery golden shade which is called Golden Coins, and I'm going to apply that in the inner corner of my eyes, this time using the flat side of the same brush. Now moving on to the waterline and the lash line, I'm going to use this Eyelina Cool Eyeliner Pencil. This is in turquoise color, and I'm going to tight line my waterline and my lash line with this. And then using the flat side of that same brush from the palette, I'm going to apply the shade Skylight on my lower lash line. So I'm just going to go all over my lash line, and in the outer corner I'm going to connect the shadow with the shadows above. After that, I am going to quickly curl my lashes and apply a nice coat of mascara. Eyes are done, and now it's time to move to the face. So first things first, I'm going to prime my face, and then I'm going to apply foundation, for which I'm going to mix L'Oreal Infallible and L'Oreal Matte Magique together. First I'll apply it all over my face, then spread it with my fingers and then blend it in with a beauty blender. So I've noticed that doing this gives a very nice coverage. That is why I like doing it this way. Once my foundation is well blended, I'm going to take the concealer and apply it only under my eyes to brighten them up and blend it properly with that same beauty blender. Once the concealer is well blended, I'm going to set my face with a compact. So first I'm going to set my under eyes, then my T-zone, and whatever powder is remaining, I will just spread that on the remaining of my face. And now I'm going to apply a nice corally peachy shade on my cheeks to make them blush. And then I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using the shade Caffeine Fix from the same Revolution palette. After that, I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to use my fingers to highlight. So I'm going to highlight the tip and the bridge of my nose, then my brow bones, and last but not the least, my cheekbones. And last but not the least, I am going to apply lipstick. So first I'm going to use a nice mauvey pinky shade, which is Mauve Magic from the Lakme Enriched Lip Crayon range. And after that I'm going to apply a nude shade on it, which is shade number 12 from the ADS Minion Edition Matte Lipstick. And once that is done, my look for today is complete. So guys, that was the video, and I skipped doing the eyeliner because I've got hooded eyes and I didn't want the black to cover up the blue because I haven't gone past my crease. But if you want, you can totally do the eyeliner, and if you want, you can skip it completely, just like I did. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching it. If you all liked what you all saw, if you all enjoyed the video, then please do like the video and do tell me in the comments down below on how you thought the video was. Please do share it with your friends and family as well, so that even they can watch it. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. It's absolutely free, and I make new videos on every Mondays and every Fridays. And yeah, and if you've subscribed, then don't forget to press the bell icon so that the notifications get turned on and you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a good day, take care, and goodbye.